Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. Jon Belkowitz, and we're here to do a Q&A day today. And this is an awesome new emerging technology that we've been working on for a little over a year now. And of course, I forgot to get it off my phone. Okay, what is 3D concrete printing and why should we care? 3D concrete printing is making of a three-dimensional structure using a digital file. Now, I don't really like to call it 3D concrete printing. I like to call it cementitious ink three-dimensional printing. And I know that sounds a little weird, and I'm working on that definition. ACI 564 that deals with 3D concrete printing, or a guide to, I'm on that committee and we're working on that. And right now they do call it 3D concrete printing, but the harsh reality is most of the folks that are getting into this, they're not using a concrete. They're using like more of a mortar or a grout. So calling it a concrete is really a misnomer. But again, what we're doing is we're building on layers using a pumping and a distribution system to create these three-dimensional concrete or cementitious composite structures. Now, why should we care? It's the next evolutionary step of construction. Like any type of futuristic movie that you've seen, it's a push button and the house gets built or the structure gets built. There's an awesome company out there called Icon that is trying to end homelessness caused by natural disaster using 3D printed concrete homes. And again, the general concept is a push button technology, and in any environment we can bring this printer and this material and print a house or a bridge or some type of structure that's needed, that could withstand nasty or harsh environmental conditions. And that right there is something out of a science fiction movie. And again, is the state of the art right now, the world that we live in. And of course, doing that, our construction industry will have to eventually evolve to start using this 3D printing of cementitious composites. So that's what 3D printing of cementitious composites or cementitious ink is. And that's why we should care. Hopefully you learned something. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ding that bell for notifications. Go Concrete!